Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to use the eBay fees calculator. Open your web browser and paste the link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on eBay. Select the format of the sale, auction or fixed price. We use the fixed price calculator. Enter the Buy It Now price, shipping price, and the quantity. Fill in the costs block. Scroll down and select the listing category. You will see the calculation result on the right side of the page. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!